Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the corporate world. Today we're diving into a story about a company that thought it had a deal in the bag, but things didn't quite go as planned. It's like ordering a pizza and realizing they forgot the cheese, or worse, the pizza itself. Before we get started, if you find value in understanding these corporate filings, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. We also have a Discord community linked in the description below where you can chat about this stuff with other folks. So let's get into it. We're looking at a filing from IRMed Inc. where they're basically saying, hey, something went wrong with the deal we made. Back in March of 2025, IRMed made an agreement with Williamsburg Venture Holdings LLC. Williamsburg was supposed to invest up to $15 million in IRMed over a 24-month period, that is, over 2 years. Fast forward to May of 2025. IRMed did their part of the deal. They offered Williamsburg over 4 million shares of their common stock at a price of about 11 cents per share, totaling $500,000. IRMed says they delivered the shares as agreed. Here's where the cheese fell off the pizza. Williamsburg didn't pay the $500,000. It's like shaking hands on a deal, then the other person doesn't hold up their end. Ahmed says they tried to contact Mr. Ronald Glenn, who is the managing member, basically the boss of Williamsburg, but they haven't gotten a response. It's like calling someone and your call goes straight to voicemail over and over. Scroll to enforce the terms of the quad agreement, scroll. So now IRMed is planning to take action. They want the money they're owed and they're considering legal means to get it. It's like saying, okay, you didn't pay up, now we're going to have to take this to court austère. Okay, so what does all this mean for IRMed? This situation creates a bunch of problems. First, there's the immediate financial impact. $500,000 might not sound like a lot to a huge company, but to a smaller company like IRMed, it can be a big deal. It can throw a wrench in their plans, causing delays in projects, hiring, or even making payroll. Then there's the uncertainty. If Williamsburg doesn't pay, IRMed has to spend time and money on legal action. That takes resources away from running the business. Plus, it creates doubt in the minds of other investors. They might start to wonder if IRMed can really close deals or if they're dealing with reliable partners. The biggest risk is the risk to their reputation. When a company has a public dispute with another company, it makes everyone nervous. Current investors might sell their stock and prospective investors might hold off. It makes the company look unstable. Let's step back and look at the bigger picture. IRMed is a company that's trying to grow and make its mark. Deals like the one with Williamsburg are meant to help them do that. When a deal falls apart, it's a setback. It forces the company to spend time and money on damage control instead of moving forward. Now, my take on this is that IRMed needs to be very careful about how they handle this situation. They need to be transparent with their investors and explain what happened and how they're going to fix it. They also need to be cautious about who they do business with in the future. Doing some extra research, doing more due diligence before signing on the dotted line can save them a lot of headaches down the road. This situation also throws a bit of a spotlight on Williamsburg. If they don't pay their debts, that's not a good look for them either. It raises questions about their financial stability and their business practices. I think the notable risk is the impact that this might have on future deals for IRMed. Alright, that's a breakdown of IRMed's latest filing. What do you think about this failed deal and what it says about the company's future? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into corporate filings. And don't forget to check out our Discord channel in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.